Hello everyone, welcome to the Heist Robbery Pack installation tutorial. Let's check our documentation first. These are the dependencies. Please make sure that you have 0R-lib file, otherwise it won't work. And this is the start order. Make sure that lib starts after your core script, like that. Also, you don't need to run any manual SQL. The table will be created automatically. Okay, let's go to our assets and download the script. Put it into your resources. Okay, now go to your server config and start the script. There's our items. Copy the items.lua, copy and paste it. And this is the weapons.lua. Make sure you put the hacking device in the weapons, not items. And it should be in the weapons part, not ammo or components. Okay, now let's find the items. It's in the UI, build, items. You can just copy all of them and put it into your inventory. This is the final checklist. And okay, that's all. Now let's restart the server. Okay, now let's test the script. This is the heist employer. I will just teleport. And you can open the heist menu with the target. You can change your nickname. You can invite some players, global chat. If you have the illegal pack job script, you can just switch. This is the marketplace. You can change your picture, your level and credits. You can also access the menu with the F10 key. And you can also access with the heist menu command, like that. Okay, now let's try robbery. I will try the house robbery. You can see the information. Okay, it started. You can also change your outfit. This is the heist outfit. And it's our vehicle. Let's get in there. And go to the mark house. Okay, this is the house. You need to hack the door, but I forgot to buy the hacking device. So let's open the menu again. This is the marketplace and hacking device. You can see It's needed for house robbery. Let's pay with cash. And you can see the remaining time for delivery. It will be arrived with a drone. And it's coming. Okay, let's collect it. You need to equip the hacking device. And then hack the door. It's not that hard. Oh, I missed one. Actually, this is hard. Okay. And the door has been unlocked. Let's enter the house. You can expand the panel with the B key. You need to search the rooms for valuables such as cash, jewelry, and electronics. Like that. Okay, I won't collect all of them for now. Let's try a big one for living. For the big loots, you need to carry it. If you are carrying a loot, you can grab another one. So you need to place it to the vehicle and go back inside. Okay, let's go back to the employer. And you can complete the heist scenario like that. Let's go back to our documentation. You can check the script integrations such as inventory, target, or notify progress bar. If you are using a different one, vehicle key. And this is the exports and events if you need them. If you have any issues, you can check frequent asked questions and troubleshooting. And there is the configuration and scenarios. It's really detailed. So please don't forget to check them. You can check the heist scenario guide. It will tell you how the heists work. Okay, let's check our config. You can check the scenario configs. Market heist drone. I've just checked the main for now. This is the language. By the way, if you have the 0R tablet script, new smart tab, you can use it If you make this true, you can close the opening menu with command. You can change the keybind. You can even disable the item Heist tablet. Switch to illegal page. You can make it false, and you won't be able to switch to illegal pack anymore. You can allow or forbid some jobs, like you can forbid the police. You can change the require min distance. For example, if you are too far, you won't be able to access the menu. You are not near an employer, but if you make it 0, you can access the menu from everywhere. Police options. You can set the levels. Info box. You can change its keybind. The money and black money options. Clothing. No marker and outline. You can disable the 3D markers and outlines. And that's all. Let's also check the modules. Utils client.lua. From this file, you can integrate your police notify. Your fuel or your police alert script. Its default RAR dispatch. And some other integrations you will need. And that's all.